Hi guys, you can't see me right now because my light's off, but you can see my TV. Oh my god. See? So, right now I'm making slime and I use white school glue and Tye. But I think I add too much Tye because it's like a big chunk. But I think it's ready. Let me try to take it in a light so you can see. Okay, so we're in the light, and I made slime. I look tacky right now, right? It's Friday. And the slime is like a blue color, see? It's not, I'm scared to touch it, but look. Alright, I'm gonna try to touch it. Okay. Oh! It don't feel sticky no more. Alright, so this is how it looks, the slime. I wasn't really planning on it to be like that. So to be honest, this is for the beginners who don't know how to make slime. Cause to me, this was my first time making slime too. So yeah. So what I used was white school glue, and I used laundry detergent, and I used Tye, and I add a little bit more. I add a little bit water and a little lotion. It doesn't matter what kind of lotions, but you have to have Tye for the slime to work better. This is my first time making slime, so I'm hyped. Since I had enough glue, I made a small one. And the reason why I made a small one, because I didn't think it was going to come out, but it came out good. So tomorrow, I'm going to go get some more glue. So since I know how to make slime now, I'm going to ask my mom to give me these containers. So when I make my slime, it'll be in a container. So this is my first slime, so I'm going to call it the beginner slime. The beginner slime. Yep. Beginner slime. And then when I make my next slime, it's gonna be it might be a glitter slime. The reason why I didn't put glitter is because last time I tried to make slime, but it wasn't working. So I used my Elmo's glue, It was like a pink sparkly one. And if I still had my pink sparkly one, I could have made a pink sparkly slime, but that didn't work. So basically, if you want your slime to stay like this, you have to probably leave it in a window or put it in the refrigerator. No, just leave it out and get a container. I'm so hype. It's my first slime. My friend, he made slime. But it was white slime. And yeah, I told him to make me a slime, but he didn't do it, so I made my own slime. Yeah. So basically, when I add Tye once, it was leaving all these marks on me. You have to add slime probably 3 times. And then add a little But yeah, A lot of times I've been trying to make slime. My mom said that I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it to make slime. But I'm worried about her face now. She's upstairs with my neighbor. And then she's gonna be like, "What is that?" And then I'm gonna tell her it's gonna be slime. I wonder if I could poke it. I'm gonna make a big one. I'm gonna make a big one. And for all my classmates who's watching this, I'm gonna bring this to school. Now, this is how real slime look, Jason or Elijah. Ooh, I'm hype. I'm hype. Now, I'm just sitting here playing with my slime. I'm not even talking to y'all. My bad. It's just like, this is my first slime. I don't need this no more. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna make more slime. But, the slime that I'm gonna make is going to be a little more bigger than this. This is my first slime I made by myself. I'm so hyped. You can stretch it. Wait, hold on. You're right, you can stretch it. You can bend it. Get ready to rub this on my face. Bro, if I made a big one, it probably would have made the clumping sound. But it didn't. Anyway, guys, so tomorrow I'm going to give you a real tutorial to how to make slime. So you're going to know. Anyway, peace out, guys.